Hello, everyone, welcome to Meet the Neat channel with a new video. Before going into the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for recent updates. Unit 1, Topic 2, Part 2. Biological classification, 5 kingdom classification, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, 3 domains of life, 6 kingdom classification, viruses, viroids, prions and lichens. 42. Identify the shape of the bacteria labeled as spirilla in the given image. A. Rod-shaped B, spiral-shaped C, spherical-shaped D, comma-shaped. Answer B. Spiral-shaped. Explanation. The image in Figure 2.1 shows different bacterial shapes, and spirilla are characterized by their spiral shape. These bacteria are typically motile due to the presence of flagella. 43. According to the image, which bacterial shape is commonly associated with diseases like tuberculosis? A. Cocci B, Bacilli C, Vibrio D, Spirilla. Answer B. Bacilli. Explanation. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria, are associated with diseases like tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and anthrax, Bacillus anthracis. The image in the passage depicts bacilli as rod-shaped bacteria. 44. The bacteria labeled as Vibrio in the image has which of the following shapes? A. Spherical B, rod-shaped C, comma-shaped D, spiral. Answer C, comma-shaped. Explanation. The image in Figure 2.1 shows Vibrio as a comma-shaped bacterium. Vibrio cholerae, the bacterium that causes cholera, is a well-known example. 45. Which bacterial type, shown in the image, is likely to form endospores for survival in extreme conditions? A. Cocci B, Bacilli C, Spirilla D, Vibrio. Answer B. Bacilli. Explanation. The image shows bacilli as rod-shaped bacteria, and many bacilli, example Bacillus and Clostridium species, produce endospores to survive harsh conditions such as high temperature, dehydration, and chemicals. 46. What characteristic of archaebacteria, as mentioned in the text, helps them survive in extreme environments? A. Presence of peptidoglycan in the cell wall. B. Presence of chitin in the cell wall. C. Presence of pseudomurin and branched-chain lipids. D. Ability to perform photosynthesis. Answer C. Presence of pseudomurin and branched-chain lipids. Explanation. The passage clearly states that archaebacteria lack peptidoglycan and instead have pseudomurin in their cell walls. Their branched-chain lipids in the membrane provide stability, allowing them to thrive in extreme conditions like hot springs, salt lakes, and marshes. 47. Based on the image, which bacterial shape is typically found in chain formations? A. Cocci B, Bacilli. C. Spirilla D, Vibrio. Answer A. Cocci. Explanation. Cocci, spherical bacteria, often form chains or clusters. Streptococcus species, chain formation, and Staphylococcus species, grape-like clusters, are common examples. 48. Which component of the bacterial cell is responsible for its rigid structure? A. Ribosomes. B. Peptidoglycan. C. Mesosomes. D. Chromosomes. Answer B. Peptidoglycan. Explanation. The bacterial cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan, murin or mucopeptide, which provides rigidity and strength to the cell. 49. What is the function of mesosomes in bacteria? A. Protein synthesis. B. Photosynthesis. C. Cellular respiration and DNA replication. D. Nitrogen fixation. Answer C. Cellular respiration and DNA replication. Explanation. Mesosomes are enfoldings of the bacterial cell membrane that play a role in cellular respiration, DNA replication, and cell division. 50. Which of the following statements about cyanobacteria is correct? A. They are heterotrophic organisms. B. They lack chlorophyll. C. They are photosynthetic autotrophs. D. They cannot fix nitrogen. Answer. C. They are photosynthetic autotrophs. Explanation. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, possess chlorophyll A and perform oxygenic photosynthesis, making them autotrophs. 51. Which specialized structure in cyanobacteria helps in nitrogen fixation? A. Chromoplast. B. Heterocyst. C. Ribosome. D. Peptidoglycan. Answer. B. Heterocyst. Explanation. Heterocysts are specialized nitrogen-fixing cells in cyanobacteria like Nostoc and Anabaena, helping them convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form. 52. Which of the following is a filamentous cyanobacterium? A. Vibrio. B. Nostoc. C. Bacillus. D. Spirillum. Answer. B. Nostoc. Explanation. The image in figure 2.2 shows Nostoc, a filamentous cyanobacterium, forming chains with heterocysts for nitrogen fixation. Picture-based MCQs. 53. Identify the structure marked as heterocyst in the given diagram. A. A cell that contains chlorophyll for photosynthesis. B. A thick-walled specialized cell for nitrogen fixation. C. A reproductive cell that forms spores. D. A locomotory organelle for movement. Answer. B. A thick-walled specialized cell for nitrogen fixation. Explanation. The image of Nostoc shows heterocysts as thick-walled cells that lack chlorophyll and function in nitrogen fixation. 54. What does the image of filamentous Nostoc in figure 2.2 indicate about cyanobacteria? A. They exist only as single-celled organisms. B. They have a filamentous or colonial structure. C. They lack photosynthetic pigments. D. They do not play a role in ecosystems. Answer. B. They have a filamentous or colonial structure. Explanation. The image shows Nostoc as a filamentous cyanobacterium, proving that cyanobacteria can exist in filamentous or colonial forms. 55. Based on the image, how can cyanobacteria like Nostoc contribute to agriculture? A. By producing antibiotics. B. By fixing atmospheric nitrogen through heterocysts. C. By acting as harmful pathogens. D. By consuming other microorganisms. Answer. B. By fixing atmospheric nitrogen through heterocysts. Explanation. The image of Nostoc shows heterocysts, which help in nitrogen fixation, making them beneficial for soil fertility in agriculture. 56. What is the function of the gelatinous sheath surrounding cyanobacterial colonies? A. It helps in locomotion. B. It protects against environmental stress. C. It stores food reserves. D. It helps in DNA replication. Answer. B. It protects against environmental stress. Explanation. The image of Nostoc shows a gelatinous sheath, which helps protect the bacteria from desiccation and other environmental stresses. 57. Which of the following is not a shape of bacteria? A. Coccus. B. Bacillus. C. Spirillum. D. Mycelium. Answer. D. Mycelium. Explanation. Bacteria have different shapes, including coccus, spherical, bacillus, rod-shaped, vibrio, comma-shaped, and spirillum, spiral. Mycelium is a fungal structure. 58. What is the key difference between archaebacteria and eubacteria? A. Archaebacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell walls, while eubacteria do not. B. Eubacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell walls, while Archaebacteria do not. C. Both Archaebacteria and Eubacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell walls. D. Archaebacteria and Eubacteria are the same. Answer. B. Eubacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell walls, while Archaebacteria do not. Explanation. Archaebacteria lack peptidoglycan and have pseudomurine in their cell walls, while eubacteria have peptidoglycan in their walls. 59. What is the primary function of ribosomes in prokaryotic cells? A. Photosynthesis. B. DNA replication. C. Protein synthesis. D. Cell division. Answer. C. Protein synthesis. Explanation. Ribosomes in bacteria are responsible for protein synthesis. They are 70S ribosomes, unlike eukaryotic 80S ribosomes. 60. Which of the following statements about bacteria is false? A. Some bacteria are autotrophic. B. All bacteria require oxygen for survival. C. Some bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen. D. Bacteria are found in extreme environments. Answer. B. All bacteria require oxygen for survival. Explanation. Some bacteria are anaerobic and can survive without oxygen, while others are aerobic. 61. Cyanobacteria are also called A. Red algae. B. Blue-green algae. C. Fungi. D. Protozoa. Answer. B. Blue-green algae. Explanation. Cyanobacteria, like nostoc and Anabaena, are photosynthetic prokaryotes that resemble algae and are known as blue-green algae. 62. Which of the following bacteria is involved in methane production? A. Bacillus. B. Methanogens. C. Vibrio. D. E. coli. Answer. B. Methanogens. Explanation. Methanogens are archaea found in the guts of ruminants like cows and buffaloes, where they help produce methane, biogas. 63. Based on figure 2.1, which of the following is a rod-shaped bacterium? A. Coccus. B. Spirillum. C. Bacillus. D. Vibrio. Answer. C. Bacillus. Explanation. The image in figure 2.1 shows bacillus as rod-shaped bacteria. 64. Identify the comma-shaped bacteria from the diagram in figure 2.1. A. Spirillum. B. Bacillus. C. Vibrio. D. Coccus. Answer. C. Vibrio. Explanation. Vibrio is comma-shaped, as shown in figure 2.1. 65. Based on figure of a filamentous blue-green alga nostoc, which structure is responsible for nitrogen fixation? A. Ribosomes. B. Heterocysts. C. Flagella. D. Mesosomes. Answer. B. Heterocysts. Explanation. The heterocysts in nostoc figure of a filamentous blue-green alga nostoc are thick-walled cells specialized for nitrogen fixation. 66. What is the color of cyanobacteria like nostoc? A. Red. B. Blue-green. C. Yellow. D. Purple. Answer. B. Blue-green. Explanation. Cyanobacteria contain chlorophyll A, giving them a blue-green appearance. 67. The gelatinous sheath surrounding cyanobacteria helps in A. Locomotion. B. Protection from harsh conditions. C. DNA replication. D. Flagellar movement. Answer. B. Protection from harsh conditions. Explanation. The gelatinous sheath protects cyanobacteria from desiccation and environmental stress. 68. What is the role of chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria? A. They use sunlight for photosynthesis. B. They oxidize inorganic substances to produce energy. C. They decompose organic matter. D. They act as parasites in plants. Answer B. They oxidize inorganic substances to produce energy. Explanation: chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic compounds like nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia. 69. Which of the following diseases is caused by bacteria? A. Malaria. B. Cholera. C. Dengue. D. Ringworm. Answer B. Cholera. Explanation: cholera, typhoid, tetanus, and citrus canker are all caused by bacteria. 70. Which type of reproduction is most common in bacteria? A. Binary fission. B. Budding. C. Conjugation. D. Fragmentation. Answer A. Binary fission. Explanation: bacteria reproduce mainly by fission, as seen in Figure 2.3, which is a form of asexual reproduction. 71. What is the function of bacterial spores, endospores? A. Photosynthesis. B. Survival under unfavorable conditions. C. DNA replication. D. Nitrogen fixation. Answer B. Survival under unfavorable conditions. Explanation: endospores help bacteria survive extreme conditions like heat, radiation, and chemical damage. 72. Which bacterial group completely lacks a cell wall? A. Cyanobacteria. B. Actinomycetes. C. Mycoplasmas. D. Archaebacteria. Answer C. Mycoplasmas. Explanation: mycoplasmas lack a cell wall, making them pleomorphic, variable in shape. 73. What is witch's broom in plants caused by? A. Fungi. B. Viruses. C. Mycoplasmas. D. Algae. Answer C. Mycoplasmas. Explanation: mycoplasmas cause plant diseases like witch's broom. 74. Which of the following bacteria produces antibiotics? A. Vibrio. B. Streptomyces. C. Mycoplasma. D. Nostoc. Answer B. Streptomyces. Explanation: Streptomyces, a genus of actinomycetes, produces many antibiotics. 75. Which of the following is not a characteristic of protists? A. They are all multicellular organisms. B. They have a well-defined nucleus. C. They are primarily aquatic. D. They include protozoa, algae, and slime molds. Answer A. They are all multicellular organisms. Explanation: protists are mostly unicellular, eukaryotic, and aquatic. 76. Which of the following bacteria play a role in nitrogen fixation? A. Escherichia coli. B. Mycobacterium. C. Nostoc. D. Streptococcus. Answer C. Nostoc. Explanation: Nostoc is a cyanobacterium capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen with the help of specialized heterocysts. 77. Which of the following best describes mycoplasmas? A. Bacteria that can pleuropneumonia. 78. Which statement about actinomycetes is incorrect? A. They form radiating colonies. B. Their cell wall contains mycolic acid. C. They are only parasitic in nature. D. Some produce antibiotics like streptomycin. Answer C. They are only parasitic in nature. Explanation: actinomycetes include both saprophytic and parasitic species. Many, like streptomyces, produce antibiotics. 79. In bacteria, which structure is responsible for ATP production? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosomes. C. Mesosomes. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is C. Mesosomes. Explanation: bacteria lack membrane-bound organelles. Mesosomes are enfoldings of the plasma membrane that aid in ATP production and cell division. 80. Which mode of reproduction is commonly seen in bacteria? A. Spore formation. B. Binary fission. C. Budding. D. Conjugation. Answer: B. Binary fission. Explanation: bacteria primarily reproduce by binary fission, a simple asexual reproduction method where one cell divides into two identical cells. 81. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria obtain energy from A. Sunlight. B. Organic carbon sources. C. Oxidation of inorganic substances. D. Symbiotic association with plants. Answer: C. Oxidation of inorganic substances. Explanation: chemosynthetic bacteria oxidize inorganic compounds like nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia to generate ATP. 82. The primary function of heterocysts in nostoc is A. Photosynthesis. B. Nitrogen fixation. C. Antibiotic production. D. Pathogenicity. Answer: B. Nitrogen fixation. Explanation: heterocysts are specialized nitrogen-fixing cells in nostoc and other cyanobacteria. 83. Which of the following diseases is not caused by bacteria? A. Cholera. B. Typhoid. C. Malaria. D. Tetanus. Answer: C. Malaria. Explanation: malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite, a protist, whereas cholera, typhoid, and tetanus are caused by bacteria. 84. Which of the following groups belongs to kingdom Protista? A. Actinomycetes. B. Euglenoids. C. Streptococcus. D. Mycobacterium. Answer: B. Euglenoids. Explanation: euglenoids, dinoflagellates, slime molds, and protozoans are all protists. 85. Which bacterial group can survive extreme environmental conditions? A. Actinomycetes. B. Mycobacterium. C. Archaebacteria. D. Mycoplasma. Answer: C. Archaebacteria. Explanation: Archaebacteria survive in extreme conditions like hot springs, high salt concentrations, and deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of mycoplasmas? A. Presence of a thick cell wall. B. Absence of a cell wall. C. Presence of a nucleus. D. Presence of mesosomes. Answer: B. Absence of a cell wall. Explanation: mycoplasmas lack a cell wall, making them pleomorphic, variable in shape. 86. Which of the following bacteria is known for fixing atmospheric nitrogen? A. Clostridium. B. Nostoc. C. Escherichia coli. D. Streptococcus. Answer: B. Nostoc. Explanation: nostoc, a cyanobacterium, contains heterocysts that help in nitrogen fixation. 87. Which bacterial structure helps in cellular respiration? A. Ribosomes. B. Mesosomes. C. Plasmids. D. Flagella. Answer: B. Mesosomes. Explanation: mesosomes are enfoldings of the plasma membrane that aid in respiration and cell division. 88. Which of the following statements about actinomycetes is correct? A. They are unicellular bacteria. B. They form radiating colonies. C. They cannot produce antibiotics. D. They lack a cell wall. Answer: B. They form radiating colonies. Explanation: actinomycetes are filamentous bacteria that form radiating colonies in culture. 89. The method of asexual reproduction in bacteria is A. Binary fission. B. Budding. C. Spore formation. D. Fragmentation. Answer: A. Binary fission. Explanation: Bacteria reproduce asexually through binary fission, where one cell splits into two identical cells. 90. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria obtain energy by A. Photosynthesis. B. Consuming organic matter. C. Oxidation of inorganic substances. D. Fermentation. Answer: C. Oxidation of inorganic substances. Explanation: chemosynthetic bacteria use inorganic compounds like ammonia, nitrates, and nitrites to produce energy. 91. Which bacterial disease affects the intestines and causes severe diarrhea? A. Tuberculosis. B. Cholera. C. Tetanus. D. Anthrax. Answer: B. Cholera. Explanation: cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae, leading to severe dehydration and diarrhea. 92. Which of the following is a photosynthetic protist? A. Mycobacterium. B. Euglena. C. Streptococcus. D. Clostridium. Answer: B. Euglena. Explanation: Euglena is a photosynthetic protist that can also survive heterotrophically.